Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Figma components for scalable design systems step by step clearly. Open your Figma project where your design system is located. Identify the components you need to update. Review the current design specifications for those components. Gather feedback from team members on what improvements can be made. Make a duplicate of the existing component to preserve the original. Begin editing the duplicate component with new design updates. Ensure color schemes and typography adhere to your design guidelines. Adjust padding and margins for better alignment and spacing. Use constraints to maintain scalability on different screen sizes. Update icons or images within the component if necessary. Check the consistency of element styles within your updated component. Test the component in various layouts to ensure compatibility. Once satisfied, publish the updated component to your design library. Document the changes made for future reference. Communicate updates to your team to keep everyone informed. Encourage team members to give feedback on the updated component. Iterate your design as needed based on team input. Finalize the updates and monitor usage in future projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.